Did you know that on average, self-made millionaires have 7 different income streams? This isn't by chance, it's the outcome of deliberate and strategic actions. As we begin to delve into the 10 principles of building wealth, pause for a second to reflect on your own financial landscape. How many streams of income do you currently have? Go ahead and share your count in the comments below. And if you're discovering our channel for the first time, welcome to Blue Chip Mindset, the winning mindset for success. If you enjoy the video or learn something new, please give it a like. Number 1. Setting clear financial goals. Imagine you're the captain of a ship. Without a destination, you're just drifting at sea, vulnerable to the whims of the winds and tides. A clear destination sets your course, guiding you through storms to your intended goal. Think of SMART goals as your financial North Star, leading you to success. It's about envisioning a future where you're financially secure and defining the steps to get there. It means specifying how much money you want in your retirement fund, determining the age by which you want your mortgage paid off, or even setting quarterly targets for your investments. When you chart your course with precision, the journey to wealth becomes an intentional voyage, not just a daydream. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Number 2. Living below your means. Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, exemplified the power of simplicity by driving an old pickup truck despite his massive wealth. His understated lifestyle wasn't for show. It was a testament to his belief in not spending unnecessarily. This principle emphasizes the importance of being practical rather than showing off. It's about making financial choices that favor long-term wealth and security over immediate gratification. By adopting this approach, you treat your finances like a business, investing in assets, not liabilities, and ensuring that your money serves a purpose toward building a sustainable future. Live not just within, but below your means to let your wealth compound and grow. Number 3. Starting a side business. Picture your income as a series of streams, each one flowing into a larger, more formidable river. Adding each stream amplifies your financial current, transforming your earnings into a powerful force that can create a path to greater wealth. Launching a side hustle can be more than just a supplementary income. It may evolve into a substantial revenue stream of its own. Consider Sarah Blakely's journey. Her initial $5,000 investment in Spanx skyrocketed into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise and made her the world's youngest female self-made billionaire. Your modest idea has the same growth potential. It's about recognizing the power of diversifying your income and investing in a side venture that could one day rival your primary income source, significantly altering your financial destiny. Number 4. Creating a budget. A budget is your financial compass, the essential tool that guides you between the storms and sunshine of your fiscal life. It gives you a clear picture of what you earn and spend, helping you manage your money wisely and save for what matters most. With a well-crafted budget, you consciously decide to save for future needs, like a house, education, or a comfortable retirement, before indulging in the wants of today. Echoing the wisdom of Warren Buffett, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. This approach turns budgeting into a proactive rather than reactive activity, letting you sculpt a financial future that aligns with your life's ambitions. Real quick, if you're enjoying the video so far, please tap that like button as it helps get this info out to more people like you. And subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you aboard. Number 5. Eliminating high-interest debt. Envision your finances as a bucket brimming with water, where every drop represents your hard-earned money. High-interest debt is akin to having multiple holes in the bucket. Despite your efforts to fill it, the water, your financial resources, keep seeping away. Attacking and sealing these holes is paramount. By eliminating these drains on your wealth, such as credit card balances and high-interest loans, you secure the water within. Your future self will thank you for keeping your money bucket from leaking away with debt. It's about preserving your wealth and creating a buffer that allows you to focus on growth rather than just staying afloat. Number 6, investing early and often. Starting your investment journey early is like planting seeds. The sooner you do it, the more time they have to sprout and mature. Compounding interest works like sunlight on these seeds, gradually nurturing your initial investment and allowing it to flourish into a thriving financial grove. Even if your initial contribution is small, it's crucial to begin. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly, providing you with a substantial nest egg for your future. So, make it a habit to invest consistently and watch as your financial landscape transforms from a bare plot into a lush garden of wealth. Before we move on, I want to hear about your future financial dreams. What are you aiming to grow in your investment garden? Are you cultivating a fund for a home, an education for your kids, or a dream retirement? Drop your goals in the comments, and let's discuss how early investments can bring those dreams to life. Number 7, building an emergency fund. Think of an emergency fund as your financial lifeboat. It's essential when life gets rough. Whether it's a sudden job loss, unexpected medical bills, or urgent repairs at home, these situations can throw you off course. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, ready to catch you when these financial surprises happen. By setting aside money specifically for emergencies, you can avoid the stress of scrambling for funds when you need them most. Start building this critical fund today. It's a proactive step that ensures you can handle life surprises without derailing your financial journey. Number 8. Diversifying your investments. Picture your investment strategy as cultivating a rich, vibrant ecosystem. In nature, diversity ensures resilience. Similarly, spreading your financial seeds across various investment types, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative assets like art or crypto, can enhance the stability and growth potential of your portfolio. Each investment class reacts differently to market changes, just as different plants respond to environmental shifts. By diversifying, you can buffer against downturns and enjoy the upticks, fostering a robust portfolio that can withstand economic fluctuations and prosper. Number 9. Automating your savings and investments. Embrace the efficiency of our digital era by automating your savings and investments. It's similar to programming a GPS with your financial destination. Once set, it diligently guides you along the route. Regular, automatic contributions to your savings and investment accounts means you're consistently building wealth, even when it's out of sight and mind. Automation ensures that you always stay on course due to forgetfulness or temptation, making your journey to financial security smoother and more disciplined. Number 10. Maximizing retirement contributions. Retirement may appear just as a speck on the horizon, yet time has a way of accelerating toward us. Maximize your retirement account contributions early, and you'll harness the brisk winds of compound interest. Think of each contribution as an investment in your future self's vessel. One day, you'll rely on that to sail through retirement. The incentives, such as tax advantages and employer match programs, are like favorable currents that help push you along, turning your savings efforts into a more fruitful voyage towards a secure retirement. Each of these strategies is a vital navigational tool in your financial journey. By applying them with care and consistency, you'll chart a course toward a future rich with possibility. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Until next time.